Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the following question, choose the correct option. And the question is, Raj starts from his office facing west and walks 100 meters straight, then takes a right turn and walks 100 meters. Further, he takes a left turn and walks 50 meters. In which direction is Raj now from the starting point? Let's make a diagram of the directions. Let's say A is the point where Raj starts. He walks west for 100 meters, then takes a right turn, that is up north for another 100 meters. He then takes a left turn and walks 50 meters. In which direction is Raj now from the starting point? We can clearly see that Raj, where he started, is moving towards northwest direction. So the correct option is option number 4, in the northwest direction. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. For the following question, choose the correct option. And the question is, if I reach a point 10 meters in a northeast direction, then move 6 meters towards south, how far will I be from starting point? Now let's check the information first. I reach 10 meters in a northeast direction, that is towards this direction for 10 meters. Then move 6 meters towards south. How far will I be from the starting point? Let's say this point is x. Now, applying the Pythagoras theorem, we say that h square equals to p square plus b square. Here, h is given as 10 and p is given as 6. Now, x square will be equal to 10 square minus 6 square, that is 100 minus 36. That is equals to 64. Now let's take out the square root, which is equals to 8. So we can clearly say that x equals to 8 meters. Here, thus, this x is equals to 8 meters in length or distance. So the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.